How to fix Bluetooth not working in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. On top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.